Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You open Colab and immediately choose a runtime, GPU if you train models. Mount Google Drive so your datasets persist. This prevents downloads each session. Once done, list files to verify paths and confirm CSVs or images load correctly. Install any missing packages with pip in a cell and only restart the runtime if kernels break. Doing these steps first saves time and avoids path errors later, so you can focus on code rather than file sourcing. Now you build the core. Load data into Pandas or TF. Data and inspect shapes and missing values so your model gets clean input. Then apply preprocessing, scale numeric features, augment images, and create train/validation splits with proper shuffling and batching. Next, define your architecture, loss, and optimizer. Choose callbacks such as early stopping to prevent overfitting and model checkpoint to save best weights. These middle steps ensure reproducibility and efficient training. So you kick off training and monitor progress with TensorBoard or printed metrics in Colab. This shows if loss and accuracy move as expected. Once done, evaluate on a holdout set and export the saved model and artifacts to Drive so results persist. If things go wrong, first check for mismatched tensor shapes, incorrect labels, or learning rate issues. Also ensure your data and model are on the same device. That troubleshooting step fixes most failures quickly and gets you back to iterating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.